Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Get ready to make a fruit drink sherbet from Ottoman times. It's a simple and refreshing drink flavored with spices, served with classical Turkish dishes, especially in the hot days and in the month of Ramadan. Let's get started. Okay. I have 500 grams cherries from freezer. You can use fresh. And 500 grams mix of plums and grapes. Let me get this. These are very sweet. These are a little bit sour, but I'm gonna add it for the flavor. It's optional. You can make it only with plums too. And I used about third of a cup granulated sugar, and for extra flavor, which gives the Ottoman flavor, I have cinnamon stick and 3 cloves. And we have 1 liter of water. We're gonna add more later. In a medium-sized pan, I'm gonna add the fruits first. Adding the water. The spices we use really gives a different taste, turn it into a different level, I can say, and make it Ottoman style. I'm going to boil for 30 minutes and we'll see how it looks. So it's been about 30 minutes boiling on a medium-high heat, and as you can see, they are all soft now. I'm going to transfer the fruits to a strainer and drain it. Now I can add the sugar to the fruit juice we have. You can use less sugar if you like, or after it is cooled a bit, add honey instead. I also added slices of lemon and going to boil it again. Meanwhile, I'm helping to get the juice as much as I can from the strainer, and you can press it with the back of a spoon. I decided to transfer it to a smaller strainer, finer strainer, and make sure you press and get as much as flavor out as you can. So as you can see, we have a lot of juice left. Here I'm gonna put it back too, and just boil for in total 5 more minutes and turn off the heat. It is better to strain it again to make sure you don't have anything inside. And we're just going to let it cool down completely. What we have is a concentrated sherbet drink, so we're gonna have to add more water. And after it is cooled down, put it in a refrigerator to cool it completely. I wanted to serve in this traditional pitcher we have, adding extra ice cubes so it is ice cold, and serve it. So I hope you give it a try and like it. I'm very curious about if you are making similar drink recipes like this. Please share your comments. On my channel, I also have other drinks like purple basil sherbet and lemonade. You can check them from the links. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.